My view is that the best way to learn a software programming language is to read the official language specification a few times, then to actually practice writing code in the language, then executing and testing the code as much as you can. The official Python language specification is available at python.org/doc. This is my Python language usage overview. This is a very simple presentation. I might add additional content later. Instead of going over the details that are already in the official language specification, I'll present only the Python language construct and usage technique outline that I keep in mind when I write code in the Python software programming language. As a software code writer, in any and every software programming language, you always use a very limited number of different types of software code constructs, and you use a very limited number of software programming language usage techniques. I review and keep in mind the following Python language construct and usage techniques when I write a software program in Python. Splitting Python code into multiple files, creating and using packages and using imports in Python, declaring and using data variables in Python, declaring and using functions in Python, which entails using lambda functions in Python, iterable and iterator programming in Python, and magic method, special method in Python. Declaring and using classes in Python, which include meta classes in Python and named tuple in Python, writing expressions in Python, writing statements in Python, using decorator, annotation in Python, asynchronous programming in Python, exception handling in Python, writing, testing, and debugging code in Python, documenting Python code, and using C++ and C++ code in Python. For more info on the aforementioned Python language construct and usage techniques, refer to one or more of the Python language references that I've mentioned earlier.